All right. Now, with this particular background, let's come to the burning question of the industry. हमारी इंडस्ट्री का सबसे बड़ा burning question. Take a moment and please look at your past. Please look at, have a look at your past financial data. At least last 3 years numbers you should know. Please understand, this is very important exercise. You don't have to write in the chat box. You don't have to discuss with anyone. This is one-to-one. Please, though it is webinar, please understand that I'm looking into your eyes. You're looking into my eyes. I'm asking you friend to friend, peer to peer. I'm asking you a very genuine question. Did you really grew in last 3 years? क्या सच में आपने वो ग्रोथ अचीव की जो आप डिजर्व करते हो? प्लीज लुक एट लास्ट 3 years नंबर. या टेक अ मोमेंट, थिंक अबाउट इट. यू डोंट हैव टू रिप्लाई, यू डोंट हैव टू रिप्लाई टू माई क्वेश्चन. आप अपने, दिस क्वेश्चन इज फॉर यू, आप अपने लास्ट 3 years का सेल्स का डेटा देखिए, टॉप लाइन जो आपकी P&L की वो देखिए, एंड प्लीज इवैल्यूएट क्या सच में आपने वो टर्नओवर अचीव किया है जो आप डिजर्व करते हो. ऑलराइट, थैंक यू. नेक्स्ट, व्हाट इज योर प्लानिंग फॉर नेक्स्ट 3 years एटलीस्ट? वैसे तो 5 year का होना चाहिए. व्हाट इज योर रेवेन्यू टारगेट फॉर नेक्स्ट 3 year? आने वाले 3 फाइनेंशियल ईयर का रेवेन्यू टारगेट क्या है, इंक्लूडिंग दिस फाइनेंशियल ईयर 2024-25 जो हाफ हो चुका है. What is the financial target for next 3 years? Please tell me. Don't tell me. Sorry. Don't tell me. You just keep it with you. आप अपने माइंड में रखिए. Now some of you might be wondering कि अरे यार प्लानिंग ही नहीं किया तो मैं सोचूं क्या? That is the first mistake. You should plan. You should plan your target. Okay, you should have the goal to achieve. Then only we will understand whether you have achieved it or what stop you from achieving your goal. So have some numbers in your mind. अभी तक नहीं हुआ रहेगा तो अभी ले लीजिए यार. Okay, keep some number in your mind. Okay, I have 50 lakh rupees turnover. Next year it can become 75 lakh, and then that can, next year it can be 1 crore, or it can be 50 lakh, 1 crore, 1.5 crore, 1 crore, 2 crore, 3 crore. Some number, 10 lakh, 20 lakh, 30 lakh. Whatever is your number, you think about the next 3 years number. All right. I assume you have done this exercise. Thank you for that. Now this question you please answer me. Has anyone who is attending this particular webinar has estimated minimum 2x growth? Minimum 2x. It can be more than 2x, but minimum 2x. And genuinely, if you have done, please say yes in the chat box, or you tell me what growth rate you are projecting. Is it 1.5? Is it 1.8? Is it 2, 2.5, 3? Year on year basis. Every year, what is your growth rate in X form? And this is what I'm expecting from all of you. Please put that in chat box, whether you wanted to grow or whether you have estimated to grow at 1x, 1.5x, 1.8x or 2x. What is your year on year growth rate? Please. This is what you have to put in the chat box. Please do not hesitate to interact, because मैंने पहले ही बोला था, this is an interactive session. आप थोड़ा energy आपके side से भी दिखा दीजिए. Thank you, Gauri. 30% growth, 3x Yogesh, that's excellent growth. Next, superb Yogesh. I hope today I'll be calling you guys with your name. I'm so sorry I have to call you guys sir and madam, but some of you guys I know personally, some of you guys I don't know. We'll be knowing each other. Yeah, 4x, that is great. 10%, 2x, that is nice. All right. Some people are replying, some people are not even replying. What should I assume about it? So great to have your replies. Now you can see the variation in the group. 10% is also there, 30% is also there, 4 times is also there too. So what is stopping us from projecting 2x, minimum 2x? What is stopping us to at least have double growth? That mindset we are going to talk today. वो जो माइंडसेट लगता है ना कि डबल का बिजनेस करना है, आई वांटेड टू ग्रो एट 2x, दैट इज व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस. सर ग्रोथ तो ठीक है, वी विल ब्रिंग द ग्रोथ, वी विल ग्रो एट 2x. Okay, I will do x, I will do y, I will do z, I will do this 3 activity, I will add new product, I will add new team members, I will add new partner, and then we will grow at this particular speed. Some effect will come to the mind. कुछ कॉजेस आपके माइंड में आएंगे, कुछ इवेंट आपके माइंड में आएंगे, ओके ये करेगा ये करेगा ये करेगा, देन आई विल अचीव दिस पर्टिकुलर ग्रोथ. बट सम टाइम यू माइट हिट योर प्रॉफिट. ग्रोथ इन सेल्स एंड ग्रोथ इन प्रॉफिट गोज लाइक सी सॉ गेम. आप सेल्स बढ़ाने जाते हो तो प्रॉफिट कम हो जाता है बिकॉज यू आर स्पेंडिंग मोर ऑन एडवर्टाइजमेंट एंड ब्रांडिंग एंड मे बी यू आर एडिंग अ टीम मेंबर, यू आर एक्सपांडिंग द ऑफिस, यू आर पुटिंग मनी इनटू रिसर्च एंड लर्निंग एंड एकेडमिक्स. तो प्रॉफिट हिट हो जाता है. Sometime to increase profit, you are reducing the team, you are reducing the office, you are reducing the effort, तो sales affect हो जाता है. तो see, the target here is not only to increase your sales, we have to increase your profit margin also. And when I say profit margin, we are not talking about the accrual basis का profit margin, because as a professional we all are in profit when it comes to accrual. लेकिन जब हम हमारा बैंक अकाउंट चेक करते हैं तो the profit will never reflect in the bank account because we are very weak people in recovery of the fees that we are charging to our clients. तो रिकवरी के ऊपर आपको काम करना पड़ेगा. सेल्स की इंक्रीज करने के ऊपर यू हैव टू वर्क ऑन द प्रॉफिट. सो यू हैव टू डू सो मेनी थिंग्स एट अ टाइम. एक ही टाइम पे करना है. और ये सब करने के लिए whatever challenges we are going to face, we are going to discuss that and what are the possible solutions. एक common solutions हम यहाँ पे discuss करके चलेंगे. What we do, we are trying to make your life easy, professionals' life easy by giving certain services that we can provide. We are not able to provide 100% satisfaction. We don't guarantee 100% success, but whatever we can do, we are trying to do, and we are doing it for many CA firms and tax professionals and company secretaries and cost accountant at present. हम बहुत सारे लोगों के साथ एसोसिएटेड है और उनकी ब्लेसिंग्स की वजह से, उनके सपोर्ट की वजह से, उनके भरोसे की वजह से नाउ वी आर एबल टू स्केल अप. तो अभी हमने स्केलिंग अप चालू किया है बिकॉज आई वांट कि एक टाइम के बाद वी ऑल शुड वर्क ऑन स्केलिंग अप.